What is a dream job? Not working and still making a ton of cash is what most people would say. And honestly, I get it. Who wouldn't want money coming into their account while they are off on a vacation? Well, it can be done. Now, before you roll your eyes, let me assure you, I am not talking about some get-rich-quick nonsense. I'm talking about running a passive business. I have tested a bunch of online income streams and some work way better than others. The best part is the one I'm about to share with you today does not need any budget, any special skills, or even a ton of free time. You just need a solid idea and the right approach. I am here with both of them, so let's get started. First, you need to understand that passive income does not mean zero effort. It means putting in some work in the beginning, setting things up the right way, and then let it make money for you over time. The effort is mainly in the beginning. After that, it gets a lot easier. Now, when we talk about passive income, online businesses are the best option. It is because they don't require a physical presence and you can reach a global audience. What are you going to do in this business though? You can sell digital products. If you don't know what they are, digital products are the things you create once and sell over and over again without needing to physically ship anything. Compared to traditional businesses where you have to deal with inventory, rent, or employees, digital products are way easier to manage. For example, you can write ebooks, design templates, create online courses and software. Once they are made, they just sit there, making you money while you focus on other things. And yes, some people have made millions selling digital products, but you don't need to be a tech genius or a marketing expert to do it. You just need the right roadmap. Now, I know what you're thinking. What kind of digital products actually make money? Well, that is exactly what we are going to talk about today. I have looked at the best options out there and I'm here to list the 5 digital products that will make you rich in 2025. But before I reveal their names, make sure to subscribe to my channel if you want my help to make a living online in 2025. It is really easy if you follow the right guidelines which you will find on my channel. Alright, let's circle back to our topic. One of the best digital products you can create and sell online is wall art. In fact, wall art is one of the easiest digital products to start with. It is surprisingly profitable. People love decorating their homes, offices, and even digital spaces with unique artwork. The best part is that you don't need to be a professional artist to sell digital prints. We have Canva, we have Photoshop, so you can create minimalist codes, abstract designs, boho patterns, or trendy aesthetic prints and sell them as instant downloads. Once a design is created, you can sell it again and again without having to worry about printing, shipping, or inventory. The demand for wall art is always there because people constantly update their spaces, and with platforms like Etsy or Shopify, it is easy to reach buyers who are looking for something unique. But if this option does not attract you, let me tell you about a category that will give you multiple options. I'm talking about the wedding industry. If there is one thing couples will always spend money on, it is their wedding. And that means they need all sorts of printable and digital items. Wedding invitations, sitting charts, place cards, bridal shower games, thank you cards, and the list goes on and on. Brides want beautifully designed, customizable templates that they can download and print themselves. That is where you come in. Once you create these designs, they can be sold multiple times with almost no extra effort. Plus, because weddings are such a special occasion, people are willing to pay more for elegant and well-designed printables. You don't even need advanced design skills. You can use simple yet stylish templates made with Canva. They can sell really well. Other than this, you can always go for some social media templates. These templates are another brilliant digital products because businesses, influencers, and content creators always need high quality, engaging posts, but don't have the time to design them from scratch. Pre-designed templates for Instagram posts, stories, Facebook ads, YouTube thumbnails, or Pinterest pins can save them hours of work. With Canva, it is easy to create templates that buyers can customize with their own text and images. The great thing is that the demand is constant because social media never stops. Every business wants to stay relevant and consistent online, and by providing ready-to-use templates, you help them do just that while making passive income for yourself. If you don't want to do any of these, I have another option for you. You can create spreadsheets and planners. People are always looking for ways to get organized, whether it is for budgeting, fitness, business planning, or productivity. A well-made spreadsheet or planner can be a lifesaver for someone trying to track their expenses, make plans, goals, or projects. How will you create those? Simple. Just use Google Sheets, Excel, and Notion templates. They are easy to customize and use, which is why they are great. Once you create a useful template, you can sell it endlessly with very little ongoing work. Productivity and organization are always in demand, which makes it an evergreen digital product idea. And now, my favorite, notebooks and journals. It can be a gratitude journal, a daily planner, a guided self-care workbook, or even a simple blank notebook. People love having a place to jot down their thoughts, goals, and plans. The great thing is that we have print-on-demand service like Amazon KDP, which means you don't have to handle the printing and shipping. You just upload your design, and every time someone orders, Amazon prints and ship it for you. This makes it a super easy way to create passive income. Now that you know which digital products can make you money, let's see how to actually create and sell them. First, decide what type of digital products you want to create. It can be work art, wedding printables, social media templates, spreadsheets, or journals. Pick one that interests you. Not only that, it should align with your skills. For example, if you are good at design, templates or work art might be your thing. If you love organization, planners and spreadsheets could be a great fit. You cannot sell to anyone, so the next step is to focus on a specific niche. For example, if you are creating planners, are they for busy moms, small business owners, or students? If you are making social media templates, are they for beauty brands, real estate agents, or fitness coaches? A clear niche helps you stand out in a crowded market. This step is so important. It will decide if your business will take off or not. Pay close attention to what people struggle with in your chosen niche. Read customer reviews, join Facebook groups, or check out online forums. What do people complain about? What problem do they need solutions for? If you can create a product that solves a specific pain point, it is more likely to sell. In this step, you have to check if there is actual demand for your idea. You have to do this before creating your product so that it does not go to waste. Here, you can use Google Trends to see if your product is trending upwards or if interest is declining. You can also search for similar products on Etsy or Gumroad to see how well they are selling. You can also check recent social media posts if there are enough that mention your product. If so, it will mean it is in demand. Now, the next thing to figure out is where will you sell your products. Etsy, Gumroad, Shopify, Creative Market, or Amazon KDP. All of these are great options. Each platform has pros and cons, so choose one based on your product type and target audience. The next step is the one that requires some effort but only in the beginning. Step 6 means it is time to design. You can choose tools like Canva, Photoshop, Google Sheets, or Adobe Illustrator to create a high-quality product. Whatever you do, just make sure it is well organized, visually appealing, and easy to use. And then the final step. Your product listing is the most important thing if you want to attract buyers. So write a clear title and a detailed description and use HD images to showcase your product. You should also use keywords that people search for so your listing appears in search results, and that is it. If you follow these steps, you will be on your way to selling digital products that make you. If you want more steps, make sure to check out the link to my Stand Store below. I will see you in the next video, and you're welcome.